Discover modern elegance with CMV Interior Designs, where simplicity, style, and functionality come together to transform your living space. For our living room, create a chic living area with a plush, low-profile sofa, a marble coffee table, and a statement chandelier. Add texture throw pillows and a cozy area rug for extra comfort. Dining area. Feature a sleek dining table with upholstered chairs complemented by an eye-catching centerpiece. Begin with a palette of whites, grays, and beiges to establish a clean, tranquil backdrop. Infuse luxury with high-quality materials like marble, wood, and stone. Open plan layout. Enhance the sense of space and flow throughout your home with an open plan design. Design a relaxing retreat with a comfortable bed, tufted headboard, elegant bedside tables with modern lamps, and a mix of soft linens and textured blankets. Add a touch of personality with standout items like unique decor pieces or rare furniture that reflects your personal style. At CMV Interior Designs, we bring a modern, elegant touch to every project, creating spaces that are beautiful, functional, and inviting.